In 1902, Mount Pelée on Martinique erupted, obliterating the city of Saint-Pierre and killing nearly 30,000 people in minutes. This volcanic event remains one of the deadliest in recorded history. Located on the Caribbean island of Martinique, Mount Pelée had shown signs of unrest for months before the catastrophic eruption. Yet, the warnings were largely ignored by the local population. Saint-Pierre was known as the Paris of the Lesser Antilles, bustling with life and commerce. Its residents were unaware of the looming threat just miles away. Early in 1902, small tremors shook the region, but most believed them to be harmless. Scientists and local officials warned of potential dangers, but their concerns were dismissed. On May 8, 1902, Mount Pelée erupted violently, sending a pyroclastic flow racing down its slopes at incredible speeds, incinerating everything in its path. Within minutes, the city of Saint-Pierre was annihilated. The only survivor was Louis-Auguste Cyparis, who survived by hiding in a stone shelter. Geologists later studied the aftermath, identifying the eruption as a Plinian type, characterized by high columns of ash and gas reaching into the stratosphere. The Mount Pelée eruption changed how scientists viewed volcanic hazards, leading to improved monitoring systems and evacuation plans for future threats. Today, Mount Pelée stands as a stark reminder of nature's power. Despite ongoing risks, the area around it has been rebuilt and is once again home to thriving communities. In 1902, Saint-Pierre was bustling, home to over 30,000 people. It sat at Mount Pelée base, unaware of the impending doom. On May 8, lava began to flow, a harbinger of the catastrophic eruption. The volcano erupted violently, sending a pyroclastic cloud down the slopes at hundreds of miles per hour. Within minutes, the city was engulfed in scorching heat and toxic gases. The temperature reached over 1,000 degrees Celsius, incinerating everything in its path. The speed and intensity left no time for escape, resulting in nearly instant fatalities. The eruption lasted less than an hour, but its impact was devastating. Saint-Pierre was obliterated, reduced to ruins with few survivors left to tell the tale. Only a handful of people survived, including Louis-Auguste Cyparis, who lived through the inferno by hiding in a stone shelter, suffering severe burns. The eruption of Mount Pelée highlighted the need for early warning systems and evacuation plans. It led to advancements in volcanology and disaster preparedness worldwide. Today, Mount Pelée is closely monitored with seismographs and gas sensors to detect any signs of future eruptions. This vigilance aims to prevent another tragedy. Despite the constant threat, communities near Mount Pelée have rebuilt. They live with an awareness of the volcano's power, maintaining a cautious respect for nature. Mount Pelée continues to shape the lives of those nearby. Its eruptions remind us of our vulnerability and the importance of understanding and respecting the forces of nature. The volcano remains active, with occasional steam vents and earthquakes. Scientists study these activities to predict potential eruptions and protect local populations. The eruption of Mount Pelée in 1902 was one of the deadliest in recorded history. It serves as a grim reminder of the destructive force of volcanoes and the need for scientific vigilance. Scientists continue to study past eruptions to better understand volcano behavior. This knowledge helps in developing effective strategies for disaster mitigation and community safety. The Mount Pelée eruption demonstrated the need for international collaboration in volcanic research. Countries share data and expertise to improve global volcanic risk assessment. Volcanic ash can travel vast distances, affecting air quality and disrupting flights. Understanding this impact is crucial for mitigating the broader effects of volcanic activity. Eruptions like Mount Pelée's can also affect climate by injecting particles into the atmosphere, causing temporary cooling. Studying these effects helps predict future climatic changes. Recovery efforts after Mount Pelée's eruption involved rebuilding infrastructure and supporting survivors. Communities adapted by constructing earthquake-resistant buildings and improving emergency response. The Mount Pelée disaster spurred the development of early warning systems using technology like GPS and satellite imagery. These tools help forecast volcanic activity and save lives. Educational programs inform residents about volcanic risks and evacuation procedures. Regular drills ensure that communities are prepared to act quickly if an eruption threatens. Mount Pelée's legacy extends beyond the immediate disaster. It has inspired generations of scientists and policymakers to prioritize research and preparedness for volcanic events. Understanding the geology of Mount Pelée helps predict future eruptions. Scientists map the volcano's structure and analyze magma composition to forecast potential hazards. Mount Pelée's activity is part of a larger tectonic process. The Caribbean plate's interaction with the South American plate causes frequent seismic activity and volcanic eruptions. The destruction caused by Mount Pelée prompted advancements in urban planning. Cities near active volcanoes now incorporate geological data into their designs for safer living conditions. Mount Pelée's impact transcends its immediate devastation. It has influenced literature, art, and popular culture, serving as a symbol of nature's unpredictable power. The eruption of Mount Pelée in 1902 is etched in history, a somber reminder of nature's might. It compels us to remain vigilant and learn from the past to safeguard future generations. Today, Mount Pelée continues to remind us of nature's unpredictable power. Its slopes are lush with vegetation, but beneath lies dormant fury. Scientists monitor it constantly, using seismographs and gas sensors to detect early signs of activity. In the aftermath of the 1902 eruption, Saint-Pierre was rebuilt, but with caution. Buildings were constructed with reinforced materials, and strict zoning laws were enacted to minimize risks. Today, it stands as a testament to resilience. The eruption also spurred advancements in volcanology. Scientists began studying volcanic gases, seismic activity, and ground deformation more closely. These studies have led to improved prediction models and saved countless lives globally. Mount Pelée remains an active volcano, part of the Lesser Antilles Arc. Its last significant eruption occurred in 1929 to 1932, causing damage but no fatalities. Continuous monitoring ensures early warnings can be issued to protect nearby communities. Today, Mount Pelée stands as a stark reminder of nature's power. Lessons learned here have improved our ability to predict volcanic eruptions, saving countless lives around the world. Scientists continue monitoring the volcano's activity, using advanced technology to detect subtle changes that could signal future eruptions. Despite the dangers, many people live near active volcanoes worldwide. Understanding and respecting their power is crucial for community safety and survival. The memory of Saint-Pierre's tragedy lives on in educational programs and emergency drills, teaching new generations how to respond to volcanic threats. Through ongoing research and preparedness, we aim to prevent such catastrophic losses in the future, honoring those lost by safeguarding lives today. Mount Pelée's devastating eruption taught us that even when we think we understand nature, there's always more to learn and prepare for. By sharing knowledge and experiences, communities can better adapt to living alongside active volcanoes and mitigate risks effectively. Volcanic disasters highlight humanity's resilience and capacity for innovation in the face of adversity, fostering global collaboration and learning. As we move forward, it is essential to remember Mount Pelée's warning, continuing efforts to study and prepare for the unpredictable forces of nature. Let this story serve as a call to action for all to support scientific research and disaster preparedness, ensuring safer futures for communities worldwide. In remembering the past, let us build a better, safer tomorrow, where understanding nature's power saves lives and preserves our shared heritage.